Hello friends, very good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. And myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my channel. In this video, I'm going to create some scanner which helping you to make that our intraday Google Sheet. So intraday Google Sheet is works based on the Camarilla levels and R4 levels, mainly the R4 level Camarilla. So which we are doing that Camarilla R4 breakout on this list of stocks for those stock in option scanner. Okay, so here most of the days, so the gap up and gap down which are happening, so lot of stock which triggers by the opening itself. So we need to find out those stock which is going to give you the fresh breakout. So if any stock which given you the fresh breakout, that would be our opportunity we have to find out. But here a lot of scanners which are occupying the top places because it is a huge gap up and it is already moved. But today I seen PVR, INOX and National Revenue which triggers earlier. I seen some of the stock like TVS Motor, something which given you the entry after our after 9:30. That is what a fresh breakout. So how to find out how to avoid the stocks, or with the charting scanner we can simply find out those who are a fresh breakout. So this scanner I'm not going to provide it to all. So only the people who are using the Google Sheet. So you just ping me on my WhatsApp. I will share you the scanner and personal to you. And how to create that also I can share you if you know about how to create the scanner. So you can follow the steps and you can create. Okay, so let us start, for example, PVR INOX, which you are looking for 42,700. So let me go for PVR INOX 1,700 call option, which I'm looking for a 42 and 55 minutes. Look at this here. This is what a 42, where it is a 42. So you can see today, 12th October. So in the first 10 minutes, 45. So this is what, not a fresh breakout, but it was happening that breakout on the first candle itself, and after that the market moves, and that gives you such a big benefit. And weekly positional, so we don't get an opportunity. But this is what a mainly for an intraday scanner, which I'm going to filter out the stock which is going to trigger after a 9:30. That is what a fresh breakout. So we simply going for a charting scanner, and we are going to do a future and options. So I will use a future segment. So I have already created that Camarilla. So the high of any particular day. Okay. So the latest try. I'm just going to get a 15 minutes high. Why? Because of on the first 15 minutes candle high must be less than Camarilla R4. So Camarilla resistance 4. And we are going to use not a first candle. So first of all, we are going to use a daily. First thing, so we are going to use daily and 1 day ago. Okay, so this will filter out those stock which is not broken that level. So this much of stock which is not broken that level. So the first condition, the first 15 minutes high is less than, only for a bullish stock. I'm just creating this, and bearish I can make another one, or I can add it in here itself. So 15 minutes high less than the 1 day ago Camarilla resistance 4. Okay, and I want to create a scanner which the 15 minutes going to break. So one thing, yeah. So this will write 15 minutes high less than the 1 day ago Camarilla resistance 4. And one more thing, so the close must be 15 minutes close. Right, close must be crosses above what's happening. I think something issue. Camarilla R4. If you run the scan, so here about 1 day ago, these are all the stocks. And let me check here. You can see what is happening here. October 10th, so 12th October, here 9:30. So these are all the stocks: Federal Bank, Tata Steel, Bose, Coal India, which is happening after 9:30 crossover. So let me go to, these are all the stocks at 9:30, and same time Federal Bank, Coal India. So we use alerts. So if you are using an alert, you will be easily find out those stock which is going to trigger first time. So maybe I am planning to this one to give you alerts in our paid, that means Google Sheet users. So for intraday, so here, and you can see, look at this, Coal India will be there around 3:15 also. Crosses above, yeah, because we are using Federal Bank would be there around 9:45. So if I'm going to check a Federal Bank with the chart, let us works better, 15 minutes time frame. So Camarilla level, which are going to plan with Camarilla. 5 minutes time frame. Okay, sorry, 15 minutes time frame. Look at this. First candle, it's not broken our Camarilla R4. Only the second candle which breaks the Camarilla R4. So this kind of stock which I need. But if I'm watching this list, so lot of stocks. If any stock which triggers a Federal Bank, so let me go for a Federal Bank. Is there in our option list? Federal Bank. So 147, 4.75 is our breakout, and closed with 5.6, almost 17%, which increased for an intraday. So let me go for a Federal Bank 127. The strike price and entry point, which I already mentioned, is happening here. Sorry, 147. Call option, which I'm looking for. Same thing which is happening here. Here is our breakout. Around the price is 4.75 and went up to 6.3. So almost this one which gives you the almost up to 6.35, almost 33%. So we are not going to wait for multiple stocks and the Coal India. Let me go for a Coal India. So in same thing scenario which is happening on Coal India today. So the second candle which given you the breakout, and then it given you the opportunity. And this may be an stock which we are going to focus for a trade opportunity. And third one, Bose and MGL today. So let me check how does the stock after 9:30 breakout works. MGL is a second candle and it is giving you some quick benefit, no problem at all. So this is what a one more scanner which we are going to use for my Google Sheet users, and this will help you to find out the fresh breakout, because we are using all the stock which triggered in the first 15 minutes that we are finding here. But in using this, so we are finding out the fresh breakout. So 434 stocks is good enough. 9:45 and even 9:30, what should be the alerts? So maybe, and we can find out, for example, if I want to only the second candle which crosses above, only this stocks. Okay, only this stocks, and the data would be same. And yesterday only the second stock, India Housing Finance, only few stocks for a day, ABB, Balakrishna, UPL. So you can easily follow this one if you are using the second candle. That would be only one thing, and only two or three candles. So first candle not too broken, second or third candle, so that should be broken. Or if you want to use a zero candle, so that would be any candle which crosses every 15 minutes, you will be getting a stocks. So maybe if you are giving you the alert for this, and the first candle would be that should not broken. So for example, if you are taking at this point here, you can see Tata Steel, IEX, Coal India, again Coal India, MGL. So only the new is a Tata Steel, maybe around 10:15. So let me go to check Tata Steel, 15 minutes. I think it is triggered on the second candle itself. It's a huge move, and then why it is showing a 10:15? Yeah, maybe it is happening on second candle, 9:30 to 9:45. Let me go to check 9:30 to 9:45. Yeah, that would be available here, 9:30 to 9:45. So that is also be the stock which you are looking for an opportunity, and that would be a great tool which we can use for this. And if you are using here around equal to 2, that would be better. Okay, so that would the scanner which you, if you are already using my Google Pay, so you can just ping me a message here, and I will be going to get the scanner. We can try to provide you some alerts on our Telegram. Sorry, you can use your alerts. This is what I want. So for bullish and bearish, we can make a new scanner. Thank you for watching, and if you are new, kindly subscribe the channel. If you have any doubts and questions, just ping me here in the chat box.